Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a product from a brand new company, or fairly new company. Go show your love and support. The link is in the description to buy this. It's pretty fast shipping. It took about 5 days, but with the Super Bowl and all, it took a little longer because of that. But very fast shipping. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. On the other side, there's packing labels. So I'm not going to show you that side, so we're just going to go on this side, which is kind of dirty, but oh well. So as you can see, we have some red here. So this company reached out to me and was able to supply two for me to review. So let's go ahead and open this. Hold on. Alright, there we go. So yeah, this company is Nayad. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. Sorry if I did unpronounce it wrong. But it is two really nice stainless steel tumblers. So I got the red and white version. This is the 22 ounces. So let's go ahead and get it out real quick. Oh my gosh, this is so tightly packed. Alright, so here it is. You have a nice, compact, really nice packaging here. Red and white, kind of like a Supreme or a YouTube logo. Really nice. And then some more information here. Really nice, plain, simple, modern design box. So right here we have a little sticker to show which color. They have many different colors on their website, so I highly recommend you go check it out. They're really inexpensive. They're only around $20 for a 22 ounce stainless steel cup. That's really good. So it comes with a metallic stainless steel straw, which is really cool because this is a new company, guys, and it has labeling on the packaging, the wrapping. I appreciate the details. So right here we have the red one, and then nothing else in the box, which is nice. I'm gonna keep those boxes. I like keeping my boxes because they look nice. So some thick plastic here, and then again branding. That's nice. So here it is. You have a nice brushed aluminum here. So right here, as you can see, you have some brushed aluminum, and this right here is stainless steel. Looks really nice. You have a clear plastic top with another stainless steel logo right here. It's really nice. And then right here, where this red clip is where your straw goes. So you just put in the straw. Just get it. Let me get this part too. This part right here is basically where an extra attachment. It's optional, but it looks better with it, and I highly recommend you use it. So you basically, pretty sure, oh, okay, so you get even a cleaning tool. Wow. You get a cleaning tool for your straw. You get a metallic straw to save the turtles. You know. Just kidding. A package just arrived right now. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. But anyways, you put this red part right here in on one end. So I think I'm just going to put it on this end. I'm not sure if it's this way, a different way. I'm going to have to check. But you put it on one end. If I can put it on. It's a little bit hard with gloves. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, so it needs to go a little bit more. But anyways, you put it in the straw, and it looks nice. Instead of a metal, regular looking straw. So that's really cool. Cool touch. I did not know that they come with a cleaning tool. So that's really nice touch. So you can just clean your straw really extra well. Inside the cup, you actually have some manuals. I'm just gonna have to, I'm gonna take my gloves, hold on. Alright, So for better grip, you have a nice plastic here. This is high quality plastic. Just saying. And it has a really tight seal on. Oh dang, you can smell it. It's brand new, obviously. So right here you have some cautions, how to take care of it. It says rinse out the cover with water and then rinse it, brush the straw and then clean it. So yeah, this one says do not soak the water bottle in the parts with water. And then it says reassemble the straw prior to use. So yeah, really nice. You have a really nice inside, as you can see. Also brushed aluminum. This is a nice, really nice high quality cup. And then on the bottom it says BPA free. It's a 22 fluid ounce bottle. And then right here it has the company. I'm going to be leaving links in the description once again, so you could go ahead and check them out. But it's designed in California, made in China. So we're going to go ahead and look at the white one real quick, because once again, nice packaging. We're going to go ahead and open this one. So I got the white one as well. Wow. Okay, I chose really good colors, but they have many different colors available. As you can see, matches my white gloves, except these white gloves are starting to get less white. But anyways, really nice, really bright white. This is a really nice color, red, and then together. I got these red and white to match just for YouTube. And yeah, so same thing here. You have the logo here, brushed aluminum, the little lid. So you can either use this right here as like a mug, and then you can drink out of it like that. The straw is optional, so just letting you know. And then we have the tight seal right here, so water will not get out. And it has this little ring of rubber here, so the water won't spill, which is really good. This has a sweat-free design. It's really awesome. And then same things here. It's really cool. Same thing, brushed aluminum inside, brushed aluminum on the lip right here. And then on the bottom, the website, and then 22 fluid ounces. So this is really nice. This is going to be my new cup from now on. I use a different cup. I did a review of that one. That one is about 20 ounces, I believe. This one, definitely I'm going to be using it, because the other one I have to unscrew it, and then I have to unscrew it, drink water, and then, like, you know, and that just takes forever. So it's better with the straw. And this one, you have a white one as well. So yeah, this one has a white straw, the cleaning brush here. So that's really nice. For $22.99, I believe. That's a steal, guys. Honestly, that's a steal. $22. Who in their wrong mind wouldn't want to buy these? I don't even get it. These are nice cups, guys. I'm gonna do another review. I'm gonna do a photo shoot of these, and I'm gonna be unboxing more stuff right now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Buy Nayad cups. They are premium, nice, and very affordable.